Cheers!
क्या जेना यार. अभी अगर कबीर होता, he would have made us drink that swill, say, old monk. Ugh.
I swear, yaar. But I'm so glad we're here to celebrate Kabir's birthday. I can't believe it's been 2 years since he left us.
2 years.
I really miss him. अब तो you're living alone. कबीर को मिस करता होगा. काफी fun roommate था, right?
Yep. But fun, super fun.
ये यार हमारी कॉलेज वाली जैकेट. Oh my god. I mean हम सबके पास था, but मेरा वाला तो पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया. Yours is the only one which is in a wearable condition.
I know. Of course यार. Best days ever. दिल के बहुत करीब है ये जैकेट मेरे. संभाल के रखा है मैंने.
Hey guys, why are we standing? चलो let's go sit. Come.
Yeah, Charles, go.
I remember तूने और कबीर ने हर जगह पहनी थी कसोल वाली ट्रिप में ना. तो क्या दिन है यार वो भी. ना जॉब का प्रेशर, ना शादी करने का कुछ. हाँ, just the 6 of us idiots being together all the time. सब कुछ कितना अच्छा चल रहा था यार. Until I still can't believe Kabir did this to himself. He was so positive and full of life, यार. I mean, आजकल किसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होता है कुछ पता ही नहीं चलता. Which is why I keep saying, therapy is so important.
Sorry यार. Therapy is bullshit. Not being fat, it was to go and whine on someone's couch. Suck it up. Deal with it. Kabir should have just talked to us.
Ayan, don't be so insensitive, huh? We don't know what he was going through.
क्या go through? हम दोस्त थे. मेरे से ही बात कर लेता. हम तो क्लोज थे. इतना क्या हो गया?
Sure. हाँ मतलब he could have come to us ना. तेरा तो कितना अच्छा दोस्त है यार वो.
दोस्त. भाई था मेरा भाई. You guys know I would do anything for my friends.
You know what, Ayan? I think you being there for him is exactly what made him jump.
ओए, easy हाँ, easy.
Relax, guys. Joke come. Guys, ये सब छोड़ो ना. Let's talk about some fun Kabir stories. रॉय तुझे याद है जब हम debating society के टाइम पे इतना लड़ते थे. Oh God, कभी यार तुम इतनी दस Kabir यार, always the peacemaker. Not always. इसको गुस्सा भी आता था. क्यों? है ना माया? Excuse me? What do you mean? I mean, I saw Kabir yelling at you near your hostel. I think ये कसौल जाने वाली ट्रिप की पिछली रात की बात है. गुस्सा उतार दिया क्या उस पे ज़्यादा? तुम कहना क्या चाहते हो? मैंने उसे धक्का मारा? अरे रिलैक्स. मैंने कब बोला धक्का? No, but you implied that. तुझे पता है मैं और कबीर कितने क्लोज थे. Shitty thing to say.
Relax, Maya. Now who does not have a sense of humor? I mean, I'm sorry, but everyone who is here knows about your blackmail morphed photo situation. And I mean, अगर कबीर उसमें involved था, तो तेरा गुस्सा होना जायज़ है.
Well, Meher, it wasn't Kabir. Actually, he was helping me और मुझे और बात नहीं करनी इस बारे में. वैसे कभी पता चला क्या? कौन था?
Meher. She said drop it. Let this do it.
Meher, I mean, it's a little difficult to imagine that one of us did something like this. People can surprise you, Tara, and you never know. Besides, Ayan, Kabir का दोस्त, भाई, was the last one to get text from Kabir, right? क्या बात करनी थी कबीर को? सबसे दूर.
Whoa. A random text means nothing. I don't know what's gotten into you, but मुझ पे blame डालना बंद कर.
It's not nothing. क्यों बुलाया तुझे?
I don't know, okay? He just said he wanted to talk. And why are you taking shots at me? He was my friend too.
ट्रिप से पहले तो इतनी दोस्ती दिख नहीं रही थी तुम्हारी.
You think you know more than the police, Sherlock? I already told them. I got a call from a recruiter. मैं जब तक वहाँ पहुँचा वो नहीं था वहाँ.
Also, you say,
No, so says the police. And you know what? I don't owe you an explanation.
Maya, please, हाँ, थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Besides, if you're counting people who already had it in for Kabir, Roy का नाम सबसे पहले आना चाहिए. Sorry, but it's true.
एक्सक्यूज मी, ही वॉज माई रूममेट. 2 साल क्या कुछ नहीं किया मैंने उसके लिए. एग्जाम होता था सिर्फ मैं पढ़ाता था. उसकी तबीयत खराब होती थी तो उसका ख्याल मैं रखता था. अचानक मेरे पे क्यों तीर चला रही है?
Roy, please. We all know that Kabir told everyone about your preferences. Preferences? ये भी सही है.
First, I don't know what you mean. Second, please somebody cut her off. दारू जम नहीं रही है मैडम को. मर्डर मिस्ट्री ना लिखे. Let's just deal with what it was. Us to decide. He wasn't exactly a super stable dude to begin with. I know he was my room. Talk to Meher. You saw him yelling at her उस दिन यार.
I mean, just ki. What do you mean not stable, huh? He was normal. And him jumping off that day made zero sense. To be fair, Tara, Kabir को गुस्सा क्या गुस्सा? He used to be there for everyone, यार. He helped me through my breakup. People have different sides, Tara. हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि गुस्सा है Roy. Tara, मैं बोल रहा हूँ. As I was saying, Tara, people are complicated. और मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि कबीर कंसिडरेट नहीं था या हेल्पफुल नहीं था. पर तेरे को याद है ना क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट में क्या हुआ था? उस हाथापाई में his reaction was so immature and childish. मेहर, इतना कुछ नहीं था. He was frustrated. It's fine. We are all humans.
अरे it wasn't just that यार. I was his roommate. Remember when he was in that long distance relationship with that चुड़ैल? क्या नाम था उसका यार? Fire. Oh God. Every day is another episode of ये तुमने क्यों किया, ये क्या हो गया, and मेरा सर फटा जा रहा. And our man banging his head against a wall every other day. I mean क्या करे? ऐसा ही था ये.
हाँ, चुड़ैल के साथ डील करेगा तो फ्रस्ट्रेट होगा ही ना यार. सुसाइड से डील करने का क्या सीन है? बेब, यार तू ही बता ना. मतलब कबीर वाज अ नाइस गाय, नो?
हाँ भाई, इतना टाइम स्पेंड किया था मैंने उसके साथ. अनस्टेबल होता तो पता चल जाता मुझे.
Takes one to know one.
Wow, someone really forgot their vigilance. You wanna say something to me?
I think it's laughable कि तू सोचता है that you are moral authority of anything. You know what you are? A male chauvinist pig.
And who made you queen of the universe? Your opinion means nothing to me. Ghandita.
Bhaiya, your shield is that police department gave you a clean chit, right? They aren't Scotland yard. अगर तेरा फोन ढंग से चेक करते ना, they would have known what kind of low-life person you are.
Do you want to see what kind of man I am? Why will you go around? I know. And I know she can keep out. I know. Calm down. It's calm down.
Calm down.
Guys, to this been 2 years. We can't keep doing this. Let's just leave bygones with bygones, no? कितना लड़ेंगे इस पे? She's worked so hard for today. बिरयानी बनाई है यार. Let's just go, set the table, have a nice dinner. What do you say? Come on. So let's go away.
Then,
Just
fine. Come on.
let's.
I need a smoke.
Maya यार.
Maya, एक second. Maya,
Ayan.
dude, I'm tired of this. It's been 2 years since the photo incident. And I've realized what I did was absolutely shitty. But I needed the money. Please understand.
Ayan. Please leave me alone.
Dekh Maya, no one but you has seen those pictures. I gave you back the money last year. Why are you dragging this out now?
Dragging. Ayan, you think तेरा ये सब बोलना can solve anything? You ruined my life. Just get the hell out of here. Just go. Coming here was a big mistake.
Fine. I'll leave. Look, Maya, I wasn't actually going to release those pictures. I just owed money to some bad people. I was just trying to survive, yaar. And in the end, I just figured कि if nobody actually ends up seeing those pictures, everything will be fine. यार देख, इतना सब बसड़ मचाने का मेरा इरादा नहीं था.
हकीकत मायने रखती है, इरादा नहीं।
भाई मैं उठ जाऊंगा, बड़े कम ऑन यार।
हो गया हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट तो नहीं होगा, ये इससे तो नहीं उठने वाला।
Guys, power bank भी लेना होगा because we are going for a track.
Yeah.
Really need it.
अरे it's always better to just keep things for safety. वैसे रास्ते में एक पोहा वाला है and it is so yummy. We will go definitely go there. Guaranteed. Guys, playlist बना ली है फिर यार, मैं बहुत excited हूँ कि कौन सी बात सुनेंगे जब हम travel करेंगे।
मैंने 5 मिनट में आ दो।
ओके
पास्ता का पिज्जा ऑर्डर। मैं वॉशरूम होके आती हूँ। ओके बाय बाय। नाइस हॉट चॉकलेट।
यार कबीर का है यार।